There's no denying the house behind me needs a little bit of love. However, there's also no denying that it has some serious potential. Sitting on 661 square metres, this 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home has plenty of size plus potential. I'm Dan De Silva. Welcome to 8 Messmate Street, Aspley. Let's check it out. If you're looking for a renovation project or a potential value add for a solid family home in a great location, walking distance to schools, shops and parks, this one is not one you're going to want to miss. If you have any questions or would like to arrange an inspection, feel free to give me a call. Cheers.